Ci riesci a prendere?
Un momento.
Lungo, ok? Ed è
Oreo. But I've never heard of it.
quasi ancora un po'.
It's getting there. Touch hers. You're gonna put it in one thing.
Way too much work.
Tutte.
Do we keep kneading? Do we keep? It's not really a knead. It's more with your finger. Yeah, like this. Oh.
Andiamo.
Take pictures of this.
No,
Oh,
yeah,
you're gonna do it here?
of course.
We heard that you were a good Catholic girl.
I tried to be, except for she's what they call an irritation of sin.
Did you hear Chef Silvana? No. She was saying that, let's say, the end of August, beginning of September, she'll be in the States. Right? You're gonna have a reunion.
Facciamo gli arancini.
You make arancini. Yes. You make
Li
arancini
andiamo a vendere in piazza.
and we sell them.
Oh my God.
Tell me something about this arancini.
Very good. Very good. I want to take a whole bunch home.
Okay.
Almost. Almost. My next one will be better.
Almost.
Yeah, the more you do, the better it is.
C'è buio?
Right? You put pressure on it. And in the meantime, you go down like this. Okay? You want it empty inside, like this. Cavato, it's carved inside. Alright?
Per il condimento di prima. Ok?
With the stuffing that we use. Però è giusto libero, giusto?
Certo.
So it's roasted with the content.
This is unbelievable. All kinds of good flavors. I could have more. Very good.
Very good.
How do you say that in Italian?
The longest cavati in the world. The cavati maker. The best cavati maker in the world.
The biggest arancini.
Just leave.
Guarda che bella calligrafia che a me.
Marilyn Brennan.
Oh, you want a picture?
Che donna.